Namaste everybody, I'm Paul, this is Satnam Kundalini School, and welcome to our 14-day Equilibrium challenge and journey, bringing balance into the masculine and feminine energies, allowing them to meet up in Anahata Chakra to awaken the Sushumna Nadi, and only then can we start to raise the Kundalini. It's inevitable that we have to do this. We have to bring balance into the masculine and feminine to awaken the Sushumna, to allow the Kundalini to rise. So today and tomorrow, day 7 and 8, we're going to be working with Anahata Chakra, the element of air. It's the element of air. We have the heart, the lungs in the area of the chest. This air, this beautiful space and air which is just all around us, which allows things to grow, which allows things to flourish. We inhale prana to invigorate and energize and bring life force energy into the body, and we exhale air, oxygen, toxins, carbon monoxide to get rid of any staleness and stagnant energy from the body. We're going to start this practice by pumping Manipur Chakra, though, the gateway to the higher chakras, Anahata, Vishuddha, Ajna and Sasahara. And I really want you to think about throughout this practice, throughout these kriyas, is love, compassion, empathy, understanding, non-judgment, all these beautiful human attributes what we have. And sometimes we forget to be compassionate, we forget to give love and also to receive love. A lot of us struggle receiving love. So I invite you to, throughout this practice, to really think about opening the heart center and sending love out, and as we close in, to draw that love in. It's an act of giving and receiving, that balance, what we're always talking about in yoga. In every aspect and dimension of life, there has to be balance for allow it to flourish. And I really hope that this is coming through in these practices, that balance is key in every aspect of life. So as we're focusing on Anahata Chakra, I invite you to imagine this green swirling vortex of energy in the heart center. Like I said, we're going to start with Manipur Chakra to stoke that heat, to allow this energy to flow up into the heart center. So with that being said, let's place the hands on the knees, straighten the arms, sit nice and tall. Take a few moments to feel into the body. Be present, be here, be now. You have nowhere else to be. Softly bringing the hands to prayer in front of the heart center. We're going to start the practice with Om Namo Gurudev Namo. If you wish to join, please do, but if not, perfectly fine. Let's inhale to start the mantra. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Relaxing the hands down onto the knees, straightening the arms, lifting the crown of the head towards the sky, eyes closed, attention up towards Ajna Chakra in Shambhari Mudra. Starting this practice with the breath of fire for 1 minute, pumping the navel, stoking that fire, allowing the energy to rise up towards Anahata, that swirling green vortex of energy in the heart center. Feeling love, feeling compassionate, feeling empathy, feeling acceptance and non-judgment, feeling joyful, feeling happy. And let's start the practice. Really visualizing this energy pumping up from Manipur Chakra as we pump the navel up towards Anahata Chakra, the masculine and the feminine. Inhale. Hold the breath, squeeze Mula Bandha. Imagine this energy coming up, up, up the spine, all the way to Anahata Chakra. This swirling green vortex of energy, feeling love, compassion, empathy, understanding, non-judgment, joy and happiness. Slightly drawing the shoulder blades together, opening the heart center. And exhale, release the breath, relax the shoulders, release Mula Bandha. As we have pumped Manipur Chakra, opening that gateway up towards Anahata Chakra in the heart center. Softly coming back, I invite you to open the eyes. I'm going to come into a kneeling position. We're going to have the knees close together. We're going to place the hands on the knees. We're going to be doing a really beautiful, powerful seated cat-cow in this position. I'll give a quick demonstration. We inhale, open the chest, and exhale, close the chest. And really opening the chest, we're sending love out to the universe and to everybody. And as we close in the chest, we're drawing love back in, bringing this balance of giving and receiving love, empathy, joy, understanding, happiness, non-judgment. Really opening the heart center, drawing that energy up towards Anahata Chakra. We'll keep the eyes closed, attention inside, up towards Ajna Chakra. And imagine the swirling green vortex of energy in Anahata Chakra. We'll be moving on directly from this Kriya onto the next Kriya. So it'll be really fast and really powerful, really opening. Let's start the practice. Bringing the arms out to the side and bending the arms, bringing the finger and the thumb together. We're going to inhale left, exhale right. Twisting the head and the neck, drawing the shoulders slightly back to open the heart center. Inhale, center. Opening the heart center, drawing the shoulder blades together, squeezing Mula Bandha, drawing that energy up the spine to the heart center, to Anahata Chakra, that swirling green vortex of energy in the heart center. Allowing that love, compassion, empathy, understanding and non-judgment to flow into the heart center. And exhale, release the hands down, release Mula Bandha. Just sit in stillness for a few moments. Feel the opening of the heart, the act of giving and receiving love and compassion and empathy. Allowing the love to flow through you and to you with ease and abundance, and also sending it out with ease and abundance. Let's inhale deeply together. Relaxing, exhale. Softly opening the eyes. We're going to come into a cross-legged seated position. This is a really beautiful Kriya. We're going to bring the back of the left hand towards the heart center, so the palm of the left hand facing away from the body, interlacing the fingers. And we're going to pull the arms apart around about 75%, so we have this really stable platform. We're going to inhale the left elbow up and exhale the right. So something like this. And we're going to really cleanse this swirling vortex of energy around the heart center, opening it up, getting rid of anything that is bogging us down and keeping us drawn in to this sluggish giving or receiving love and not having an open heart. It's a really powerful Kriya. It's easy within this Kriya to let the hands fall or even bring them up, but we're really working with Anahata Chakra, so I really encourage you to just have a quick glance every now and again, because we're going to have the eyes closed, and make sure it's in front of the heart center, because we're really cleansing the heart, we're really cleaning the heart center. So back of the left hand towards the heart center, palm facing away, interlace the fingers, pull the hands around about 75%, inhale left, exhale right, eyes closed, attention inside. Let's start the practice. Find stillness, inhale deeply. Really pull the hands apart as much as possible, squeezing Mula Bandha, drawing that energy up to Anahata Chakra, that swirling green vortex of energy in the heart center, keeping the gaze up to Ajna. And exhale, release the hands down, release the breath, release Mula Bandha. Slightly draw the shoulder blades together, opening the heart center, slightly lifting the chin. Notice any subtle vibrations or sensations around the heart center as we bring in that equilibrium and balance into the heart, into Anahata Chakra, giving and receiving love and compassion. Drawing the Pingala, the masculine, the Ida, the feminine, up towards the heart center, as we're raising the masculine and feminine energies up towards Ajna Chakra in the third eye. Cleansing and purifying, detoxifying the systems of the body, the nadis, the energy channels. Releasing limiting thoughts and beliefs, feeling strong and courageous, being creative and feeling grounded. Softly coming back, I invite you to open the eyes, coming into a kneeling position, going on to the final Kriya of this really powerful and heart opening practice. We're going to bring the hands to prayer in front of the heart center, and as we inhale we're going to open the chest, and as we exhale we're going to close the chest in the act of giving and receiving love. And I really invite you to think about loved ones, whether it be family members, somebody who's very special to you, or a group of people somewhere in the world where things might not be going so great at the moment, which generally seems to be the case. We can send love and compassion and empathy to whoever we wish and choose to, in an act of giving and receiving. So let's sit nice and tall, place the hands in prayer in front of the heart center, close the eyes, bring the gaze up to Anahata Chakra. Imagine this swirling green vortex of energy in the heart center. And let's start the practice. Inhale, open the heart center, drawing the shoulder blades together, bringing the gaze up to Ajna Chakra, squeezing Mula Bandha, drawing that heart up towards Anahata, the swirling green vortex of energy in front of the heart center. And exhale, release, bringing the hands to prayer in front of the heart center, eyes closed, attention inside. Noticing any sensations in the heart center. Be aware of any emotions or feelings that may arise. In Anahata Chakra, we want to feel love and compassion and empathy, understanding, non-judgment. And release anything in opposition to that, any pain, any grief, any suffering. Release it. And just allow that love to flow into the heart center, the compassion and the empathy. I invite you to pause the video and go into a brief Shavasana. We're going to end this practice with a Satnam. If you wish to join, please do, but if not, perfectly fine. Let's inhale to chant. Softly bowing the head down to Mother Earth, asking for self-peace, world peace, universal peace. Sitting here in blissful appreciation of all the love that flows through you and to you with ease and abundance, and that you send back out from you to the world, to the universe, to everything that has ever existed and will exist with ease and abundance. Bringing that balance into the system, into the body, arousing Anahata Chakra. Inhale, softly lifting the head up towards the sky, to the ceiling, to the roof, wherever you may be, relaxing the hands down to the knees and opening the eyes. Thank you for joining me in today's practice. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click like and subscribe. Don't forget to do your Shavasana if you haven't done so already. Leave any comments, and looking forward to day 8 tomorrow, continuing raising the energy, bringing balance into Anahata Chakra. Thank you for joining me, and as always, Namaste and Satnam.